Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we are back with another unboxing. I have, yes, opened it. This is via Amazon.com. So we're going to rummage through all this plastic, and I'm going to keep you in suspense to let you know what could it be? What could it be? All right, stay tuned, y'all. There's a lot of package. A lot of plastic here to kind of keep it very nicely wrapped so there isn't an issue. This is kind of hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. Let's see. We're kind of getting to it. Anybody with a clue? With what could it be? Yes, y'all. I am a new owner to the Stanley Cup, the coveted Stanley Cup, the cup that everybody's been buying like crazy. No, it's not the traditional or the one that is trending now, the pink one, which is the Galentine one. Believe that has been going crazy and causing hysteria online. It's not the pink one, but I like this one. I like this color. It's a nice earth tone, and I honestly don't see a purpose to all the hysteria. I know it is a good quality cup in comparison to any other tumbler. It is a good quality cup. So I am happy and proud to be a Stanley Cup. Stanley Cup. I think of hockey. I swear. Let me know in the comment section below if anybody else thinks Stanley Cup is related to hockey. But yes, I am a Stanley Cup owner. So yes, this is the Flow State Quencher H2.0 tumbler. It holds 30 ounces. That's really great. So it has this nice earth tone to it. As you see, it's a nice sturdy lid, good grip on the handle, and I believe, a reusable sturdy straw. We do believe here on this channel about recycling. So yes, it holds 9 hours of cold, 40 hours iced, 5 hours hot. So you have the option if you want to also go within a hot liquid. This is really cool. Flow State, a 3-position lid. Flow State 3-position lid with rotating cover for versatility. No splash, straw, quencher, open drink spout, and fully covered and closed. It is recycled stainless steel. It is BPA free. That is very important when it comes to these products, reusable products. It is splash proof. It is dishwasher safe. It is double wall vacuum insulation, reusable straw, car cup holder compatible, and lifetime warranty. Yes, y'all. So now I can say I too have a Stanley Cup. It came in this nice pretty packaging. I got it. And I will let you guys know how she functions within the week and maybe months time to go. But I'm very happy. I'm happy to own it. And I do believe it does live up to the hype. It is relatively heavy. It's a heavy object. So, and I'm sure everybody has seen the videos online circulating how it can withstand anything, even a ball of fire. So, not that I would ever put this near fire or flame, but nonetheless, yes, y'all, that is the unboxing for tonight or whenever you see this video. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share, leave us a comment down below. Are you interested in getting a Stanley Cup yourself? I know. I was curious. Should we peek in perhaps inside? Let's peek in before I sign off. Yes, it has a very tight grip, and you can see the stainless steel. That would explain why it keeps the temperature really good. It has an instruction manual inside, but yes, it has a tight grip. So it is so far living up to the hype, y'all. It really is. It's a really good cup. Anyway, nonetheless, if you like to follow us here, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, my next haul, my next unboxing and review. Also, I have a GoFundMe page that I will link in the description box down below if you have a little bit of time and can check it out. And if you can donate, it really would help the cause and definitely help out this channel in growing. So if you like these videos, let me know. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl. Bye.